Before opening the XCELL BMC kit, create a sterile working station. Attach the 18-gauge needle to one of the 60 ml syringes. Before drawing the heparin solution, prime the syringe to ensure the barrel moves freely. This is done by simply pulling back and forth 2 to 3 times. Draw 20 ml of heparin into the 60 ml syringe. Adding the female-to-female connector to the 60 ml syringe, heparinize your collection syringes, leaving 0.5 ml of heparin within each syringe, and any other components that will come in contact with the bone marrow aspirate. To heparinize is to rinse with heparin. Make sure you have a clean working surface to lay out all heparinized components. Obtain 60 ml of anticoagulated bone marrow aspirate in single or multiple syringes. This will be at the user's discretion. Attach the long end of the bone marrow filter to one of the heparinized 60 ml syringes. Carefully remove the cap from the bone marrow aspirate filled syringe and connect it to the short end of the filter. Gently push the bone marrow aspirate from the syringe through the filter and into the attached 60 ml receiver syringe. If applicable, repeat using the remaining syringes of bone marrow aspirate. To avoid any potential clotting, do not allow bone marrow aspirate to sit dormant. Once aspirate has been collected, begin the processing immediately, pre- and post-centrifugation. Once all the bone marrow aspirate has been transferred to the 60 ml receiver syringe, disconnect the bone marrow filter and replace it with the 45-degree dispensing tip. Slowly transfer the bone marrow aspirate into the XCELL concentrating device until you've reached the 60 ml mark near the taper transition area. Secure the green silicone cap and the clear safety cap to the concentrating device. Place the XCELL concentrating device on the scale to calculate its weight. Using a syringe, fill the counterbalance with water, matching its weight within 1 gram of the weight of the concentrating device. Be sure the plastic cap is secured on your counterbalance before placing it onto the scale. Once the desired weight is accomplished, place the XCELL counterbalance and concentrating device on opposite ends inside the centrifuge. Close the centrifuge lid and spin your sample at 4200 RPMs for 12 minutes. While your sample is spinning in the centrifuge, prime a 60 ml and 10 ml syringe, leaving about 5 ml of air to neutralize pressure between the syringe and concentrating device. After the spin has completed, carefully remove the XCELL concentrating device from the centrifuge. You should see a clear separation between red blood cells, platelet-poor plasma, and the buffy coat, which comprises of the bone marrow concentrate. Remove all caps. Slowly turn the handle on the benchtop processing station, pushing the aspirate up to the bottom of the luer slip fitting of the XCELL concentrating device. Attach the primed 60 ml syringe and continue to push the bone marrow aspirate into the syringe until the buffy coat reaches 6 ml. This is clearly outlined on the concentrating device. Remove and cap the 60 ml syringe. Now add the primed 10 ml syringe and push the remaining bone marrow aspirate until the syringe captures the buffy coat. To obtain the optimal amount of bone marrow concentrate, continue collecting 2 to 3 ml of red blood cells to ensure the complete capture of the buffy coat. Cap the 10 ml syringe and gently remix the suspension. The XCELL BMC process is complete.